Welcome to 7 Minutes to Stronger. We all know that Strong by Zumba is a full body workout, but today our targeted zone is abs and core. We have master trainer Aurelio Fagari to lead us through it. This workout is presented by Strong by Zumba.
Thanks, Ali. Grab a mat and get ready to show me what you got. All right, guys, let's get ready. We're gonna reach across, and then we're gonna go all the way up and reach your toes. Perfect. Keep your lower back against the floor. You're looking good. Now tempo. Perfect. Now focus on those abs doing the moves. It's all about mind bar. You got it. Last one, and get ready for the pulse. Across. It's a short move, and you should feel those abs already. How you doing?
Yeah.
Ready?
Feeling it.
Reverse crunches. Yes. How you feeling, Nate?
Oh yeah, I'm feeling it.
Yeah. Ali?
I love it. Already feeling that burn. So good.
All right, we're going back to it on the opposite side. Ready? Reach up. Don't forget to breathe. Let's go. Nice. Tempo now. You got it. Keep that lower back on the floor, remember. Your nose is pointing to the ceiling. Last one before the pulse. All right, how we doing?
We're
Good?
feeling it.
Loving it.
Loving it, I like that.
Oh yeah.
Ready for the reverse crunches, let's
Let's go.
Remember, don't use momentum. Open those palms of your hands. Perfect. Those
Music
lower
makes it
abs.
fun.
Aha.
I'm into
Now we're
it.
gonna reach back, guys. All the way back to knee tucks. And bring it up. Perfect. Nice. Pull from your abs. Last one. And we're gonna stay up. Straight to Russian twists. Keep that chin up. And shoulders back. You're looking good from here. You're also looking good.
Woo.
I'm feeling it.
We're going back to those knee tucks.
Right in that waist.
Ready?
Yes.
Let's go back. Pull in. Now, if you want to make it harder, follow Nate. Your feet off the floor. We got one more. And we're going back down, guys. Bring your feet up. Hands right next to your body. All the way up. Perfect.
Woo!
Push up from your abs. This is a long one, guys. Can you feel how the moves sync with the music?
I love it. Makes
Oh,
it
yeah.
so fun.
It's amazing, it helps a lot. You got this. Keep pushing up and don't use momentum. Last one. Up and round to 4. You got it. From here, we're going straight to crunches. Up, control it down. And again, keep that chin up. And follow the music, as I said. All the way down. Last one. Perfect. All the way down again. Back to the knee tucks. Last 2.
Feeling it.
Stay there. Perfect. Follow that beat. You got it. Remember, everything moves. Not only your head, not only your arms. All right. Woo! All right, guys, we're going into the second song. Bring those feet up, and we're gonna start with scissor drops, one leg at a time, all right? Get ready. We got this. Let's go. Nice. Now, remember to control this move from your abs. There's no legs involved here. And breathe. Keep your nose pointing to the ceiling. How you doing, Nate?
Feeling good.
Ready? Let's go for the pulse. Nice. It's a short move. If you need it a little easier, look at Allie. She's with her foot on the floor, and it's okay. Keep those elbows open and ready for the switch. Vamos. If it's hurting, you're smiling, remember. How's it going over there? Woo.
Smiling big.
Ready? Let's go, back to the scissors. Nice. Control it from your abs, remember. Who likes to row?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna start in a little bit.
Let's do it.
Ready? Bring it down. Nice. If you want it harder, bring that chest back. Keep it straight. Shoulders back. You're doing great. Looking good, Nate.
Thank you.
You're almost going forward. Woo! Last two. Extend those legs and bring it back. Perfect. Keep that chest back. Last one. And we're gonna roll back all the way down. Bring those feet up. Back to the scissors. You ready? You with me?
With
Let's
you.
go.
Let's go. Breathe. You're looking good. I can see you, don't worry. Nice. Control it from your abs. Get ready for those fast ones. Across, all the way down. Let's go. Keep that chin up. Looking good. Breathe. We're almost there, guys. You got this. Yeah. Woo! Aha. We
Feeling
did it.
good.
We did it. How was
Give
that?
me some love, yes.
Ale.
Boom, boom. Woo! Woo! I'm really feeling those last 7 minutes. Are you guys? Don't forget, this is not a complete class and will not provide a total body workout. But for a full class, visit strongbyzumba.com.